Hello team, I hope you are well, fine and good. Welcome to this another video session. So where we will be discussing about the SleeperGem. So what is this SleeperGem is all about and how it is been and what is the attack timeline. So everything will be discussing, and along with that we'll be having a discussion regarding the remediation processes where we will be understanding how we can detect this and can stop these kind of supply chain based attacks. So the slippers gem is a software supply chain attack, okay, which actually targeting the ruby ecosystem. Okay, so it actually targets the ruby ecosystem. So where the attacker published malicious ruby gem. Okay, so that actually start installing the malware, okay, on a developer's machine. Okay, on a developer machine it actually downloads a malware or installs a malware. So here is the process how actually it works, folks. That is what a ruby gem or slipper gem is about. So the malicious gem on ruby, okay, on ruby gem, then a malware been deployed or installed, then after secret data have been stolen. Okay, so coming to the attack timeline, why we come up with this discussion, because in 2017 the Drendrio gem was published. Along with that, in 2018 Fastland plugin run test along with Firebase test lab published, and thereafter in 2019 to 20 project became inactive. Okay, then again in 18 Git credential manager malicious version published, and in 2026 dormant gem received malicious update. So this is the uh, attack timeline when we discuss it. So if you are new to this channel, please do a subscription to Cyberverse Explode, folks. Okay, so next is all about the malicious ruby gem and why dormant package were targeted. So the Git credential manager, okay, version, these were the version which is published. It actually impersonated the Microsoft Git credential manager. Then after Dendrio, its version published, and last legit update, and along with that it is all about 6 years back. Okay, for actually 6 years it's been active. Then after Fastline plugin, which is inactive since 2019. Okay, this is also a version where we'll be understanding the malicious ruby gem that is actually been now recently the Git credential manager been published for at as a malicious ruby gem. Then after, why dormant packages were targeted, why actually these packages eventually been targeted, because thousands of dollars been observed, good reputation, along with that trusted by developers and rarely monitored. Okay, so this is why the deodorant packages were targeted. So old trusted and inactive packages were perfect to target for attacker. Then after, coming to the discussion regarding complete attack chain, it's also very important, folks. Why? Because the complete attack chain consisting of a developer installs the gem, followed by ruby download the library, then hidden malicious code executes, followed by downloads the second stage malware. Then it also keeps if machine is CI/CD, then if CI/CD exits the silent, if developer laptop installs the malware become persistence, then after it has a privilege escalations to steal all the secrets where the remote attacker gain entire access of your system. So then after dependency positioning, so when we discuss about this, the attacker add Git credential manager as a dependent to other gem like Git credential manager, malicious, deodorant, fastland plugin run test. Then these were the Slack team to markdown and sec optimization and array fast method. So installing any of these gems automatically installs the malware. Okay, so this is how the dependent poisoning is all about. Coming to the next two stages, that is multiple maintainer account compromised and CI/CD environment detection. So when we discuss about the multiple maintainer account compromise, malicious versions were published by different maintainer. Okay, so where dr dv and pink room are also being part of this. Okay, so more than one ruby gem account were likely to be compromised. CI/CD environment detection is all about the malware checks 30 environment, okay, variable that are actually related to what, related to these kind of environments like GitHub Action, GitLab CI, Circle CI, Terrace CI, Jenkins, Cursor, Azure Pipeline, okay, Bitbucket Pipeline, and many more. Okay, if any detect, exit very immediately, folks. So I hope you have enjoyed the part 1. So please stay tuned and enjoy the part 2, where we'll be discussing about the remediation strategies coming soon.